The origins of cigars are somewhat shrouded in mystery, but it is generally believed that cigars were first made by the ancient Mayans of Central America. The Mayans used the tobacco plant for medicinal purposes, as well as for ceremonial rituals. They would roll the dried tobacco leaves together to create a crude form of cigar. The word cigar itself comes from the Mayan word cigar, which means to smoke rolled tobacco leaves. The use of cigars spread to other parts of the world, and by the 16th century, cigars were being made and enjoyed in Europe and the Americas. Here are some steps for smoking a cigar. Choose a cigar that is the right size and strength for you. It's important to select a cigar that is comfortable for you to smoke. Cut the cigar. Use a sharp blade to cut the cigar about 1/4 of an inch from the end. Be careful not to cut too much off the end, as this can cause the cigar to unravel. Light the cigar. Use a butane lighter or a wooden match to gently toast the end of the cigar. Avoid using a regular lighter or a candle, as these can give the cigar a chemical taste. Take a few puffs to get the cigar going. Once the cigar is lit, take a few puffs to get it burning evenly. Smoke the cigar slowly. There's no need to inhale the smoke. Instead, take a puff and then let the smoke slowly drift out of your mouth. Enjoy the flavors and aromas of the cigar. Let the cigar burn out on its own. When you're done smoking, allow the cigar to burn out on its own. Don't stub it out or douse it in water, as this can affect the taste. Remember to always smoke responsibly and in a designated smoking area.